Okay, you guys are going to copy 8.2 translations in page 68. Go ahead and pause this as you copy it. Okay, make sure you guys have your buckets. Let's highlight. So translation is a type of transformation, which is, remember, transformation is a change. Oh, hold on, let me use pink. Transformation is a type of change that maps all points of a preimage the same distance and in the same direction. Okay, so here's example 1. We are given a set of points and it's telling us the preimage is xy and our image will be where we add 2 to all the x values and add 1 to all the y values. So if we start with the preimage, if we start with f, the x value, it says we're going to add 2 each time. So we're going to have 3 plus 2, which would be 5, 4 plus 1, because in the y value it says to add 1, be 5. And you do the exact same thing for g and h. Okay? And let's go ahead and do number 2. Now what if we have a graph? Now you can do the exact same thing for this one. So let's find the points for A, which is at -4, 3. And B is at -3, 0. C is at -1, 1. So in this one, we are trying to find the rule. Find the rule. And now let's look at the prime. Put some space in the middle. A prime is at it's at 1, 0. B prime is at 2, -3. C prime is at +3, -2. Okay, let's see what happened to my A prime. So if we start at -4, how do we get to 1? Right? Remember our number line? We have, don't copy this. In our number line, we have -4 here and 1 here. Then we just fill in the rest. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we actually added 5 since we're going to the right. And let's see how we go from 3. How do we go from 3 to 0? Well, you just subtract 3. So our rule, let's see if this works for all of them. So B prime, -3, if we add 5 to it, do we get +2? Yes, we do. -3, 0, subtract 3 to it, we get this. C prime, -1 plus 5. Do we get 3? Now this one's a little bit different. Did I get this one right? -1, 1 plus 5. It should be +4. Oh, I counted wrong. Sorry, it should be 4. So this is how you double check, right? Plus 5, which is correct. 1 minus 3, which is -2. So our rule is saying that we are doing plus 5 minus 3. So here's my rule. XY is saying that for all the x's, I'm going to add 5 each time. And for all the y's, I'm going to subtract 3 each time. Now there's an easier way to do this, of course, which is to just trace your letters. So let's start with B. On the B, I know this is my, I know this is my pre-image, and this is my image because of the primes. Okay, that means I'm going to start with the pre-image. This is my image. So I'm going to count to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the x-axis, I'm going +5. And then I'm going to count on the y. 1, 2, 3. I went down 3, so I want to subtract 3. So then my rule will be this. Definitely a lot easier. I just wanted to show you guys 2 ways just so you guys are clear on how this works. Okay? And then once you're done, make sure you guys highlight and grab a worksheet from the sub.